How to remove your YouTube account from TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Masnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your YouTube account from TV, or how you can remove your YouTube account from any other devices as well. So first things first, you want to open up your YouTube application. After the update, the interface will look somewhat like this. At the bottom right corner you can see the U option. You want to tap on it, and here on your profile page here you can see Napoleon YT, my page there. If you see there is an option that says Google account, right? You want to tap on it and it'll ask you to choose an account. Simply choose the account that is logged in on your TV, or if it is not here on your phone, you want to tap on add another account. In my case, I do have it, and here you can see. Now once you choose the account, you'll load up like this. You want to swipe to the right here and on the menus, and then tap on security. Under security, you want to scroll down until you find the option here that says manage all devices under your devices. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all the devices that is connected your account that is logged in on. So in my case, I'm logged in on 4 sessions here. So what you want to do is you want to tap on that particular TV. I don't have any TV connected to my account, or my account connected to any TV currently, but I'll just tap on this particular phone here. So once you do so, you'll get the sign out option. Simply tap on sign out and you'll get sign out from your YouTube. So this way you can remove your YouTube account from TV. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.